OpenAI releases personalized instruction for chat to update. Some users reportedly no longer have access to the custom instructions option. Be prepared if the function isn't readily available to you right now while we look into it. Users of Chat now have the option to give personalized instructions to the chatbot. Instead of the same prompts each time they communicate with it, such as write the answer under 1,000 words or keep the tone of response formal. According to the business, this function enables you to share anything you'd like Chat to take into consideration in its response. For instance, while soliciting suggestions, a developer may mention their preferred code language or a teacher might mention that they are teaching maths to fourth graders. A user can also define the size of their family so that Chat can offer advice on meal, grocery, and vacation planning in accordance. Custom instructions are useful if users need to define the same context regularly even though users can already specify these items while conversing with the bot. Additionally, the guidelines are compatible with plugins, making it simpler for them to recommend nearby restaurants or flights. According to OpenAI, the feature is accessible to Plus plan subscribers but not to residents of the EU or the UK. Currently, it is a beta feature. By clicking on their name and proceeding to settings, beta features opt into custom instructions. Users can test out this feature online. This is accessible to users of iOS by going to settings, new features, enable custom instructions. It's noteworthy that OpenAI claims the data provided to customize responses will be used to train its API models to adjust to various directions. The model will be taught how to alter its reactions to your directions without going overboard using the information from your use of bespoke instructions, the business stated. Through their data control settings, users can, however, reject this setting. As consultant Gabriel Cohen remarked on Twitter, OpenAI has been testing this feature with a select group of users for some time. Users can write about themselves and how they wish to customize the chatbot's responses in 2 boxes provided by Chat where they can describe their conversation preferences. The adjustments will begin to take effect in the next session once users have entered their responses. The corporation stated that responses are limited to 1,500 characters. According to OpenAI, the business checks customized instructions to see if they are harmful in any way using its moderation API. If the results of the instructions contravene the company's policy, Chat may choose not to save them or to ignore them. This is to make sure users don't enter commands that prompt Chat to respond in a destructive or nasty way. OpenAI released a Chat iOS app in May exclusively for customers in the United States. However, the business increased its distribution to more than 40 countries a few weeks following that statement. The startup debuted an iPad app with Siri and shortcuts compatibility last month. The business also gave consumers the option to use the Bing search engine through the Chat tab to look for information online.